dreaming of a career in healthcare but don't know where to begin? Say hello to Medfin Institute of Paramedical Science, Malakpet and Chandrayangutta, Hyderabad, your launchpad into the medical world. Medfin institutes are recognized by Telangana State Paramedical Board, which means your certification is not just government approved but valid across India and even abroad. At Medfin, you don't just study, you train to start working right after the course.
Choose from in-demand programs like Anesthesia Technology, Cardiology Technology, CSSD and Operation Theatre Technology, Cath Lab Technology, Dialysis Technology, Emergency Medicine Technology, Medical Lab Technology, Radiology and Medical Imaging, Respiratory Therapy Technology. Whatever your passion, there's a course for you. Forget just theory. Medfin students train in busy hospitals with diverse clinical pathology patients alongside expert medical teams. Thanks to tie-up with 12 plus top multi-speciality hospitals in Hyderabad, you will graduate with hands-on experience employers love. And the best part? The courses here are 100% job-oriented. Most Medfin graduates start earning 25 to 30,000 a month right after completion. And yes, your certification opened doors not just in India but globally as well.
Why choose Medfin? Official recognition by Government of Telangana, highly qualified teaching faculty, personality development classes for students, audiovisual hall for seminars, practical training at super specialty hospitals, proven record 100% results and placements, campus selection opportunities in India and abroad, certificates valid in India and overseas, certifications accepted in Gulf countries with data flow positive status, digital library access, monthly seminars hosted by reputed entrepreneurs. Who can apply? Eligibility includes students who have completed BIPC, MPC, CEC, HEC, MEC streams, and those who have passed from TOS, APOS, and NEOS boards. Graduates from any discipline are welcome to apply.
Your healthcare career starts now, and it starts here. Explore Medfin Paramedical College on Docthub. Search, filter, apply, all in one place. Click the link in the description and apply today. Medfin Institute of Paramedical Science, Malakpet and Chandrayangutta, Hyderabad. Powered by Docthub.